a big team like Chiefs, people people talk, and rightfully so, because like it's the most followed team, on the continent.
Yes.
What's up, Kosi Nation? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another episode of Kaizer Chiefs Uncut. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody, man, that subscribed to the channel, and everybody that hit the notification bell, everybody that likes the videos, and everybody that's joined the membership. Much appreciated. We're going to be having a whole lot more members only content. But anyway, man, thank you to everyone. As you can see, man, talking about a whole lot of matches. Kaizer Chiefs is a match tomorrow. If you think Kaizer Chiefs is going to win that match, place your bet there on 10bet. If you use the link in the description, you can get 100% bonus. If you get it right, that means if you play with 100 rand, if you put in 100 rand, you get another 100 rand. If you put in 200, you get 200 bonus. So 100%, man. That's it. Kosi Nation, Kaizer Chiefs has arrived safely in the DRC in Lubumbashi. Yeah, man, they arrived safely there, man. They're going to be having their match against Simba tomorrow at the TP Mazembe Stadium, 3 o'clock local time. Place your bets if you think Kaizer Chiefs is going to win, or if you think otherwise, man. I think Kaizer Chiefs should win, but they don't always do what they should. So, man, good luck to them. I'm only disappointed by one thing, man. They're telling us that there's no broadcast, no YouTube, no SABC, no DSTV, no nothing. So they're telling us if we want to watch the match, we have to be at the stadium. That's disappointing, man. That's disappointing. We can't be flying out to the DRC Congo just to watch a CAF Confederations preliminary round. No, man. Kaizer Chiefs must make a plan. They must start investing in their own thing now. Kaizer Chiefs TV should be official now. It shouldn't be part of DSTV and stuff like that, man. They should organize their own thing and broadcast their matches. They can sell the broadcast if they want. We pay most for DSTV anyway. Yeah, Kosi Nation, that's it, man, about the match. As you seen the title of the video, Kaizer Chiefs supporters are the best. Kaizer Chiefs supporters are absolutely the best, man. Yes, you know, man, historically Kaizer Chiefs has always had the biggest fan base in South Africa since its formation. Always had the biggest fan base, man. A lot of teams, they try, but they can't do it, man. The late Iwetnene, how when the team was formed, the principle they followed, that love and peace. Everybody wants love and everybody wants peace. So I guess, man, these guys are loyal, man. These guys are loyal. They're not just the biggest fan base or support base, man. They are the most loyal, man. I'm not lying to you. We can take it back to the preseason, when they had the preseason tour in the Netherlands. You remember? People came out to watch Kaizer Chiefs play, man. People from the Netherlands, we played Zwolle, we played Nijmegen, we played Twente, in different places. We played in 5 different places, and in all 5 different matches, man, it was packed. It was nice, absolutely amazing, man. And Kaizer Chiefs also in the preseason, they played. Remember, they played at the Moses Mabhida against the team from Ghana, Asante Kotoko, and they filled the stadium. But Asante Kotoko didn't bring any fans to the stadium, but they were able to fill up the Moses Mabhida stadium, and that's absolutely amazing. But when I'm talking about support base and fan base, I'm not talking about those guys that were there in the Netherlands. No, I'm not talking about the people in the Netherlands that watch Kaizer Chiefs occasionally. I'm talking about the fans here locally, bro. They love Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not talking about the fans, actually. I'm talking about the supporters. A fan is just a fan, but a supporter is special. A supporter, man, they go all out for the team, man. They go all out for the team. These guys are loyal. They're loyal to the cause, and they put their money where their mouth is. A fan will never put their money where their mouth is. A fan will rather say, "No, I'm gonna watch Chiefs. I'm gonna put my money on these bottles of beer. I'll go there at the tavern, buy me a few beers, and watch Kaizer Chiefs play." But a supporter will be at the stadium, man. Okay, let's break it down. First of all, the supporters, man, those guys, they buy the jerseys. All Kaizer Chiefs jerseys, man, they buy the jerseys, they buy the track suits, they buy these tops. And you know that Kaizer Chiefs, man, we don't do Hong Kong, we don't do counterfeit, so they listen and they encourage not to buy fake goods. So they don't buy fake goods, they buy proper, authentic Kappa gear, and that stuff is not cheap. Kappa gear, Kaizer Chiefs is very expensive. The jersey, the playing jersey, home and away, you get that for 1,299. And for the kids, we have kids, man. Those guys, they buy for their wives and for their kids. For the kids, you can get it for like 1,100. You know what I mean? Like for a 10-year-old, 12-year-old, you can get it for like 1,100. And we talk about those tops, man, those big sweaters and hoodies. Those are expensive. The ones expensive, they go for thousands. Tracksuit, the 2-piece tracksuit, they go for thousands. The training kit, they go for thousands, man. And these guys, they spend it, man. I saw this one guy, he bought 5 home jerseys and 5 away jerseys, you know, for him and his wife and his 3 kids. And he also went and got their names printed on the back. That's like an extra 200 on each jersey, man. So this guy spent a lot of money, man. So in the region of like 13 to 15,000 for those jerseys, man. And that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about loyalty. Kaizer Chiefs supporters are loyal. They are loyal to their team, and man, they'll go to the stadium whether the team loses or wins. Yeah, we complain after the match when we don't win. If it's a draw, we lost, we complain. I'm not coming back to the stadium. But I'll be the first one to buy a ticket for the next match. And some of us got season tickets. Season tickets at Kaizer Chiefs are sold out. I'm saying season tickets are sold out. Imagine. So that's crazy, man. So if you look at the match attendance at Kaizer Chiefs is crazy. We fill up every stadium in every province. You know, so far we played most of our matches here at home at the FNB Stadium, and we've averaged like 40 to 45,000 per match. And all of the Kaizer Chiefs matches that they played here at the FNB Stadium at home this season were during the week. Either they were on a Tuesday or on a Wednesday. All the matches that Kaizer Chiefs played were during the week. Only match that they played on the weekend was that second leg Confed Cup preliminaries first round where they won in penalties. But all these matches, man, we've been playing them during the week at night. And we only had a few away matches. And those matches at home, man, it's absolutely amazing to see. And remember the one against Mamelodi Sundowns, 45,000 tickets sold, increased to 60,000 and increased to another 15,000. So we had 75,000 people at the FNP Stadium on a Wednesday night. That's crazy. That will never happen in any other. We'll see. Orlando Pirates will be playing Mamelodi Sundowns soon. I think it's going to be at the Loftus. We'll see if they'll be able to do that. But you know, we Kaizer Chiefs fans, we always support these guys. I'm going to be at the Loftus on that day. I just want to see with my own eyes if they can match what we do. And anyway, let me leave other people's business. Yeah, man. Fill up every stadium. All the home matches were absolutely amazing. And all the away matches that we had 2 away matches, I think, in the league. We went to the Moses Mabhida against Golden Arrows. Absolutely packed that place up. We won that match. That's when Silva scored his first goal. We won that match. A nice atmosphere. Kaizer Chiefs when it's in Durban. You know, man. The table Tandi Kosi. Kaizer Chiefs, man, is always welcome in Durban. Is another home away from home. And we filled up that stadium. Our first match of the league was against Stellenbosch. I think they took us to the Athlone, packed that place up. We beat them 2-0, and that place was full. And the other match that we had against them, Cape Town. Stellenbosch was in Cape Town at the Cape Town Stadium, at the DHL Stadium. We packed that place up, man. One thing that I like to say, man, I know Kaizer Chiefs hasn't played in Cape Town in a long time because there's no clubs in Cape Town, no more Cape Town Spurs, no more Cape Town City in the Premier League. But not only the people from Cape Town went to fill up the stadium. Tembisa Branch, Hammanskraal, all those guys, man, they drove down to Cape Town on Friday evening. They filled up their petrol tanks, hooked up trailers to the back of their cars, and drove down to Cape Town. The match was on Sunday, but they started traveling from Friday evening. So the whole weekend was just about Kaizer Chiefs, man. Now tell me if that's not loyalty. Tell me that's not love, man. That's definitely love, man. We have to applaud the Kaizer Chiefs fans, man. We have to. We want to see if there'll be any Kaizer Chiefs fans tomorrow at the TP Mazembe Stadium in Lubumbashi. So I hope so, man. I wouldn't be surprised, man, if there's Kaizer Chiefs fans there, man. But you know that diaspora, there's probably South Africans out there too, so I wouldn't be surprised. There's also maybe people from the Congo that love Kaizer Chiefs. We'll see, man. But one thing that I'd like to say, man, I would like to applaud Kaizer Chiefs supporters. They are absolutely the best. They stand behind this team. They stand behind the management. They stand behind the club. They stand behind the players. They stand behind the team. Even when the team is not doing so good, they'll be there all the time. When the team wins, they'll be there. Whether it's raining, they'll be there. Whether it's hot, they'll be there. Whether it's in Cape Town or whether it's in Polokwane, they'll be there in numbers singing. Kaizer Chiefs has absolutely the best support base in the continent. Just like you heard Defo say there in the beginning of the video, man. Tell me what you think, Kosi Nation. That's what I think, man. And I'm gonna say, man, I'm a proud Kosi supporter. I'm not just a fan, man. I'm a supporter. I buy the gear. I go to the games. I'm even doing this, man, to show my love, man. You know, to talk about Chiefs and express how I feel, man. Kosi Nation, you can also express how you feel there down below in the comment section. And like I said, man, you can place your bets there at 10 bet if you think you can predict a few matches, man. I don't like to tell people whether to gamble or not, because I like to practice safe gambling. But if you feel like you are a responsible gambler, go ahead, go to 10 bet, use the link in the description. You'll get yourself 100% bonus. So if you deposit 20 rands, you'll get another 20 rands from 10 bet. If you deposit 100, you'll get another 100 from 10 bet. But it's only up to 3,000 rand. Kosi Nation, that's a video. I think that's all we can talk about for now, man. Love and peace. Kosi Nation, I know you guys listening to this video are also Kosi fans, Kosi supporters. Much love and much respect to you guys. And out.